Yes, you're back. Okay, I got my dirty clothes on because today we're getting out of this house and we're going painting. So this is what I usually do before I paint. I like to get in the right headspace. I usually sit down and meditate for about an hour, just thinking about the strokes that I'm going to make on the wall with my hand. I try to envision that I actually am the spray can. The paint is coming out of my mouth and I'm flying across the wall. This really helps to get my flow going so that when I'm painting the piece, it's really natural and it's just coming from my spirit. Painting isn't really a mechanical process, it's a spiritual expression. So when you're painting, you really have to make sure that your mind is clear and focused, using all your spiritual energy that is coming out of the Earth's crust. So I have to let you know that that was actually not true. Hey mate, how's it going? Can I get a standard flat white coffee, please?
No worries, start forward when you're ready.
Alright, on your chief. Cheers, champ. Just got to get my pre-painting coffee, you know. Alright, so I've arrived at this spot, so there's no one painting here, so I'm going to be all by my lonesome. Going to try and paint this design, which is like some iterations of legs. Oh, you can see what it is, but yeah, if you can't quite make it out, it's like legs with sneakers and like the shoelaces are wrapping all around it. And I suppose I should get into it. Happy with how the piece came out, considering that I haven't painted in so long. This piece to kind of look like a sketch out of a sketchbook, so I kind of kept it textured and left some little mistakes here and there in, tried not to cut it back and make it too clean. Alright, that's it for today's painting session. I'm starting to feel a bit hot, a bit dizzy. Need a drink of water, forgot to bring my water bottle. Every time I start painting, I have my mask on. It always ends up coming off because it's just annoying and I take it off and I don't realize, and then the next thing you know, I'm really fucking fumed. It's getting dark, it's getting kind of scary around here. I heard someone having a domestic dispute over there earlier and I had all my camera gear out and stuff, so wasn't too keen on sticking around. So I'm done, the painting's done, and catch you at the next video. Thanks for watching. Another necessary thing to do before painting is to activate my imagination. So I do that by going outside and looking at the sky. So when I'm looking at the sky, I look at the clouds and, like a child, I will try and envision things in the clouds.